Annie's, and I'm going to make an East Side. It's an old classic drink. It's a gin cocktail, and it's a refreshing summer drink with mint and cucumber and fresh lime.
I'm the bartender here, and right now we're going to show you our signature cocktail. It's going to be our Frank's Old Fashioned, and it's actually going to be a smoked Old Fashioned. Hard cherry and an orange slaw, and there you go.
We have here our Marina Mimosa. That's vodka, pineapple juice, orange juice, and our house champagne split dumped into it. An awesome summer drink. We have a pear martini. That's with goose pear, a little bit of Saint Germain, some agave and lemon juice, shaken with a twist.
Entravision Digital delivers unmatched access to the U.S. Latino consumer through an integrated national platform combining television, radio, digital video, social media, and connected TV, with a total potential reach exceeding 40 million people nationwide. Entravision connects advertisers to the fastest-growing and most influential consumer segment in the United States. The U.S. Latino population now exceeds 62 million people and represents the country's strongest engine of economic growth. Latino households over-index in grocery, fresh meat, automotive, RV, and family lifestyle purchases, with decisions driven by trust, cultural relevance, and family participation. These consumers are mobile-first, video-centric, and highly engaged across social and streaming platforms. The initiative includes 30-second, 60-second, and 90-second video assets optimized for sales presentations, social platforms, and CTV distribution. Supporting materials include Spanish, English, and bilingual captioning, enabling accessibility and sound-off viewing across platforms. Grocery and carnicerias drive weekly foot traffic and repeat visits through short-form video promotions tied to fresh product availability, weekend shopping, and seasonal demand.